quick entry rules. In Sage Business Cloud accounting software, you can create quick entry rules. The main advantage of this quick entry rule is you can save your data entry time and you can minimize data entry errors. In quick entry rules, you can set a payee name. After you enter the payee name, in banking transactions, system will automatically populate the description, the type, and the selection to the screen. Here we have created few quick entry rules. You can go to banking and you can check. Now here we have set payee name PWH, then set the description to accounting software charges, type is account, and selection is accounting fees. Let's go to banking module and type PWH as payee name and click tab key. Then system will populate the description, type, and selection and the tax rate. So like that, you can type the payee name, then system will automatically populate the description, type, selection, and VAT rate to the screen. From that, you can save your time and you can minimize your data entry errors. So in an accounting department, there may be several hundreds or thousands of banking transactions. So you can save a lot of time by setting up a quick entry rule. Right, let's discuss how to set up a quick entry rule. Go to banking, select list, select quick entry rules. From here you can type payee name, and under description you can type what is the description you want to populate in the banking transaction screen. So here we type accounting software, under type you can select account, customer, supplier, transfer, and VAT. If you select account, you can select your GL accounts. If you select customer, you can select your customers. If you select supplier, you can select your suppliers under selection. If you select transfer, you can select your bank accounts under selection. And you can select VAT, then selection will be payment or refund, VAT payment or refund. In addition to that, if you select account, you can select the tax rate. Like that, you can set a payee name and you can set description. You can select the type and the selection. Right. Like that, you can set up your quick entry rules. After that, you can save your quick entry rule. Next, we will go to banking module. I have separate tab for banking transaction. I select my bank account. You can enter banking transactions from banking transactions, banking. You can enter the date and you can enter payee name. Now in these quick enter rules, we have created a new rule. When you type the payee name as Sage, we'll type Sage. And click tab key. Then under description, it will display accounting software, type account, selection computer expenses, and VAT rate is standard 15%. Like that, when we enter the payee name, system will automatically populate the description, type, selection, and tax rate. So you can see from this setting up these quick enter rules, we can save a lot of time and we can minimize our data entry errors. We'll check another quick enter rule. Now here we will type SBCA and click tab key. Then you can see description is Sage Business Cloud Accounting, type is supplier, selection is ZA, and here don't need to select that type. And after you populate this transaction, you can enter spent or received amount and you can save the transaction. Okay. And I'll enter another quick enter rule. Right, now when you enter transaction, you can see there are some transactions in black color and some transactions is in blue color. So if any transaction in blue color means you haven't saved this transaction, so from that you can identify what are the saved transactions and unsaved transactions. We will save these changes. Now you can see that color has changed. You can enter amounts, and you can save your transactions. Like that, you can create your quick enter rules. Okay, next we will discuss what are the advanced features in quick enter rules. First, now assume you have several quick enter rules. Then you want to change or you want to search some quick enter rules. So if you want to search any quick enter rule, you can type here. I'll type Sage and hit the search button. Then system will search the word include Sage. Okay. These two transactions, these two quick enter rules, there are Sage words, so therefore these two quick enter rules will display. Next, there are headings. You can sort the quick enter rules by clicking these headings. Here you can see now arrow is available. You can sort by ascending or descending order. And here you can sort by description, you can sort by type, you can sort by selection, and you can sort by VAT rate. Okay. Like that, by clicking heading, you can sort ascending or descending order. Next, if you want to add any another rule to this screen, by clicking this plus mark, you can add line to the screen. By clicking plus mark, you can add line to the screen, and if you want to delete, you can delete by clicking this minus button. Like that, you can add or delete lines in the screen. Next, I'll add another quick hint rule. Okay, now you can see there are two buttons, delete and update, in inactivate mode. If you tick any quick hint rule here, those buttons will activate. If you untick, it will not display. If you tick any quick hint rule, those buttons will activate. Okay, now assume we have several quick hint rules for account, and we need to change the tax rate. Okay, so you can change the tax rate by go to that quick hint rule and select the rule, and you can change. But if you have more or several quick hint rules, it will take considerable time to change the tax rates. So therefore you can use this update button. You can tick the rules you want to change the VAT. You can tick those transactions or quick hint rules, click on update, and from here update you can select default VAT type, and here you can select your tax rate. I'll change to 12, VAT 12%, and save. Then you can see that VAT rate has changed to 12%. Like that, if you want to change more than one transaction or one quick hint rules VAT type at once, you can change by ticking these quick hint rules and by using update button. Next, if you want to delete more than one line or one quick hint rules, you can tick these lines and you can click delete button. Then system will delete those quick hint rules. I'll add another one. Okay, now you can delete. I'll first save this one. Now you can delete these quick hint rules by clicking this red color button or minus button. But if you want to delete more than one quick hint rules, you can tick those quick hint rules and you can click delete button, and you can delete your quick hint rules. Next, you can see there's another link for shortcut keys. If you click this, system will display shortcut keys. There are navigation shortcut keys and action shortcut keys. First one, tab. If you click the tab and you can click tab button, then it will go to the next cell, and if you click the tab button with if you click the tab button with the shift key, it will go to previous cell, and you can, by using up arrow and down arrow, you can go to previous row and next row. And from action shortcut keys, you can, by clicking Ctrl plus I, you can click add a new row, Ctrl I, you can add a new line below that line, then delete the current or selected rows, Ctrl delete, and Ctrl S, save. Okay, like that. You can use these shortcut keys for navigation and actions. We'll save this. Right, like that you can create your quick entry rules, and you can use these quick entry rules when you enter banking transactions. Right, to get more knowledge on these quick entry rules, you can do this assignment. First, you can create new customer, new supplier, new GL account, and you can create a new bank account. After that, go to your quick entry rules and set a quick entry rule for selecting type as account, and for selection select your newly created GL account. Next, you can create another quick entry rule, select customer as type, and for the selection you can select your newly created customer, and you can create another rule for selecting supplier as type and select your new supplier, and another rule for transfer as type and select your bank account as selection, and last one for VAT. Selection will be VAT payment and refund. Okay, like that you can create 5 quick entry rules, and you can practice these quick entry rules.